welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SNAP-SydniJolie. What's good? What's poppin'? Happy freaking New Year, y'all. Like, this is my first official video of 2021, okay? I had to take me a little break, get things together, had to get a new intro made, you feel me? The beginning of the year came super duper quick, and I kind of wasn't prepared. You feel me? So I had to get a few things together, had to take a couple of weeks in the new year to myself, to gather myself, just get things together. I missed you guys so much. I missed filming. I missed this. I missed everything, you know? I'm so excited to be back. I'm back with some new goodies, you feel me? 2021 vibes. I'm on some new and different type time. It's time to get to the bag. It's time to do what I need to do. And that's on period, okay? So today, I am coming to you guys with this makeup look. This is very different. This is very, very different, you know? At first, I did not like this wig at all. I'm like, what the heck is this? You feel me? But now I'm like, listen, let me match some makeup with it. We're gonna finesse, we're gonna figure it out. And now it's a whole look. It's a whole vibe, okay? It's giving icy, okay? And that's on period. It's a yes for me. All right, so obviously we have some goodies to get into. So we're going to get started. So today, y'all, we are going to get into a nice review on this foundation that was sent to me from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Okay, do y'all see it? Do y'all see the coverage? Do y'all see it? Yes, no, maybe. This is how it came. It came with this little card. Y'all know they always give me an info card. It came like this. Obviously, I just used it, so I kind of put it in the packaging just to show you how it came. First of all, I was very hesitant. I was like, oh my God, what if I pick the wrong shade? You feel me? You're just freaking out because when you're picking the shade or whatever, you can only eyeball it and you basically see like different shades on like skin or like somebody's face or something like that. Like you'll see it before and after the person without the foundation, then with it, or you'll just see, like I said, swatches on like an arm to show you different tones and stuff like that. So I was scared. I'm like, did I pick the wrong shade? Did I pick the right shade? But it just came yesterday and I tried it on and it's literally bomb. Like, as y'all can see, everything's matching. My neck, my chest. The shade that I picked is the Deep 510C with cool peach undertones. Just a few facts about this foundation, you guys. It is color correcting, full coverage, natural finish. Okay, as y'all can see, it looks super bomb. Skin loving ingredients such as collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. And it also has SPF 30 in it, y'all. Like, and this foundation retails for about $14 on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website, or you can get it at Ulta, or you can get it, I'm pretty sure, at Walmart, Amazon. That's a steal for this foundation. It's so worth it. It has great benefits for your skin. Like, I'm sold. I'm literally sold. I will be purchasing this once I run out of the complimentary one that I was sent. But I really absolutely love this foundation. And I'm super hyped because I'm always like, oh my God, what foundation can I try? I was so glad to be picked for this campaign because I needed a new foundation. And this just happens to be it. It contains vegan collagen, peptides, niacinamide, which is also B3, vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid, which helps to keep your skin moisturized, color correcting, full coverage, natural finish, helps to plump, hydrate, and smooth, while also protecting with the SPF 30. First of all, let me just say I'm not here to sell anything to y'all, okay? I don't know why people seem to think that I'm always trying to sell things. Most of the time, I'm just promoting, and I'm telling you what works for me, what I love. I would never promote anything that I really actually don't love just because I got paid for it or I got sent it for free. I have to continue to say that because I don't want people to ever assume that just because whatever, I'm just getting on camera and telling y'all to go buy it. No, I would never put my word gang onto nothing that I wouldn't really use. And that's why I like to be as genuine and honest with my reviews as I can be. And I like to show you guys, okay? What better way to tell you than to show you? Okay? I freaking love it. I tried it on yesterday. I had it on for but yesterday I didn't prime or anything. I just kind of tried it on just to make sure I wouldn't break out, to make sure it matched, and to make sure, to see how it would react with my skin. Would it stay matte? Would it be this? Would it be that? Just a little test run. And today is the first time I'm actually wearing it full face, primer, the whole deal. So I really actually love it. I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely purchase it. And the rating that I'm going to give this foundation, you guys, is, I honestly think I'm gonna have to go with 10. I'm gonna have to. I literally have no complaints. Sometimes I like to leave a little bit of leeway, a little bit of room, just in case anything goes wrong with it. So we'll give it a 9.5, just to be on the safe side. It's my first time really actually using it. I'll have to use it and wear it all day, sweat a little bit, stuff like that. But as far as my first impression and my review for right now, you guys, I love it. The shadow, the foundation, it's a look. Y'all already know I love switching my looks up. It's I need a new wig for every single day. I need a new fit. I need a new, some days I want to wake up and look like this. Then some days I want to just have black curly hair, natural, whatever. I just don't be knowing what be going on. But I just love it. I just love the switch up. I live for different colors, different vibes, you feel me? I just love it, so. that is pretty much it on my review for that foundation, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please do not forget, if you like videos like this, to give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become a part of the Warrior Gang, and tap the notification bell so you can get notifications each and every time I post. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for tuning into my videos. Thank you. And also a big thank you and huge shout out to Elf Cosmetics and Influencer, who has me partnered with multiple different brands. I always get to receive all these goodies. At this point, I feel like I'm pretty much locked in. Influencer always looks out for me. They always consider me for campaigns. I feel like I'm always at the top of their list. I'm always receiving multiple boxes at a time from different brands, and I just could not be any more grateful. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. SNAP-SydniJolie,